Now let's install the Sunroof Ambient Light Kit. Start by taking one of the ambient light strips and positioning it along the edge of the sunroof. Make sure the white diffuser is facing outward and remains visible, with the adhesive side facing the sunroof glass. Peel back a small section of the adhesive backing. Tuck the light strip into the headliner gap, then continue peeling away the backing, while firmly pressing the strip into place. Once one side is installed, repeat the exact same process on the opposite side. Next, remove the front headliner trim panel. Use the included Y-splitter harness to connect both left and right ambient light strips. Then connect the extension cable to the splitter harness. Tuck away any excess wiring. Then route the extension cable through the front headliner trim and around the sun visor toward the windshield. Once finished, reinstall the front headliner trim. Route the extension cable down to the passenger side dashboard by either tucking it behind the A-pillar trim or routing it along the passenger side door seal, whichever method you prefer. Then remove the passenger side door seal, the door sill trim, and the dashboard side trim panel. Next, remove the upper dashboard trim. Remove all 8 screws securing the lower dashboard panel. Including the final screw located on the passenger side. Pull back the floor mat. Remove the footwell trim panel. And carefully lower the dashboard panel. Be especially careful during this step, as there are yellow knee airbag connectors on both sides. Avoid pulling or damaging these connectors. Before making any electrical connections, disconnect the vehicle's power. Now take the control module harness and unplug either one of the factory ambient light connectors. Connect the harness in line with the factory connector. Then plug the other end into the control module. Finally, connect the sunroof ambient light extension cable to the control module. Once everything is connected, neatly organize and secure all wiring before reassembling the interior. Reinstall the lower dashboard panel and tighten all 8 screws. Reinstall the upper dashboard trim. The footwell trim panel. The floor mat, the door sill trim. the dashboard side trim, and finally, the passenger side door seal. That's it. The sunroof ambient light kit is fully installed.